Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at Hibiscus Group Limited. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Hibiscus Group Limited, previously known as Valbury Capital, is a London-based no-dealing desk and STP broker that is regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority and is a member of the London Stock Exchange. Currently, at the time of recording this video, Hibiscus is not currently accepting any new clients. However, for the purpose of this review, we are going to be covering the broker's features, their accounts, platforms, and more. They do, however, offer a partnership program if you are interested in using their services for your own clients and company. With that out the way, let's take a look at Hibiscus. This broker offers a wide range of trading platforms and services for professional investors and corporate clients. Hibiscus uses a no-dealing desk model, and as a client, you will get direct market access via Tier 1 banking partners and deep liquidity from multiple sources. They offer 8 professional trading platforms and is a trading desk broker that provides 24-hour voice execution trading services through expert professional brokers. Hibiscus offers more than 9,000 futures and options, 170 forex pairs, and a wide range of CFDs, equities, cryptocurrencies, commodities, ETFs, digital assets, and fixed income products. As a client, you will be able to trade thousands of futures and options on more than 15 leading exchanges and commodities from over 80 global markets. To learn more about the instruments you can trade with Hibiscus, click on the Products tab. Hibiscus Group Limited offers a simplistic website with direct links to the different trading solutions they offer on the homepage. The menu bar can be used to find more information about the platforms, instruments, and services they offer. Further down the page, you will also see a list of all the instruments you can trade with this broker. The Hibiscus Group Limited support team can be reached via telephone and email. You can contact them by pressing on one of the support buttons at the bottom of the homepage. They offer accounts for private investors, professional retail traders, and corporate clients. All clients receive personalized institutional-grade customer service from a qualified and experienced team of brokers. Each client will have a dedicated personal broker that will provide expert market commentary and reliable insights. Hibiscus offers one type of account that will be tailored according to your individual needs and trading goals. Your account can be used to trade all the available instruments, and you will have access to 8 platforms and the Hibiscus Fix API solution. Fix API can be integrated directly with existing and custom trading platforms, and it enables straight-through processing trading and gives you direct access to deep liquidity. By using Fix API, pricing will also be more transparent and competitive, and you will have faster connectivity with lower latency. To learn more about the perks of trading with Hibiscus, click on the Services tab and choose an option from the drop-down menu. As mentioned before, this broker offers 8 powerful trading platforms, including MetaTrader 4. Fix API makes it possible to connect to multiple trading platforms, while also having direct market access to dozens of international markets. Unlike most other brokers, Hibiscus lets you choose trading software and tools that work for you, and provides 24-hour voice brokerage services on whichever platform you decide to use. Hibiscus clients can use MetaTrader 4, PATS JTrader, PATS Pro Mark, CQG Trader, CQG QTrader, CQG Integrated Client, Iris Pro, and Iris Trader. Trading Technologies is an advanced trading tool that is fully customizable, and it can be used to trade multiple markets simultaneously on one screen. This tool lets you track live orders and positions, and you can use it to automate your trading strategies. PATS JTrader is also a customizable trading tool that provides a whole new level of market depth and intuitive risk management tools. PATS Pro Mark is an advanced front-end platform for professional traders, and it offers one-click trading and a wide range of reconfigurable indicators and multiple order types. CQC Integrated Client provides updated, accurate market data, and it comes with a variety of built-in analysis tools and advanced order routing features. This platform has more than 10 chart styles, tools for monitoring portfolios and instruments, and a highly advanced order management window. CQG QTrader is an intermediate-level trading platform that comes with multiple chart styles, different order types, risk management tools, and easy-to-use order routing tools. CQG Trader is a high-performance platform that can be used to easily manage orders, monitor positions, and keep track of market activity. This platform can be used to trade multiple markets simultaneously, and it has powerful charting tools. Iris Pro is a market information program that can be used to access accurate, in-depth details about macroeconomic activity, company news, pricing, and trade history in real time. It also comes with intuitive risk calculators. Iris Trader is a web-based market analysis platform that is most commonly used for trading equities and futures. This platform streams prices in real time, and its workspace is fully customizable. It has advanced order management functionality with multiple order types. And MetaTrader 4 is currently one of the most popular trading platforms in the world. It was released in 2005, and this platform is renowned for its advanced analysis tools, technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor support, and much more. To learn more about the platforms and tools you can use as a Hibiscus Group Limited client, simply click on the Platforms tab. Hibiscus Group Limited offers voice brokerage services from a team of industry experts and professional brokers, so they will provide all the market commentary and insights you need based on your portfolio. The platforms also have built-in news feeds, market data, and research material. If you'll be using MetaTrader 4, you will have access to thousands of indicators and trading strategies. Iris Pro is also a good option if you are looking for a platform with plenty of resources and news. Overall, many other brokers offer institutional accounts. However, Hibiscus offers institutional-grade trading services and prioritizes the needs of private investors and professional traders. The team of brokers at Hibiscus act on behalf of asset and wealth managers, hedge and pension funds, banks, trading groups, family offices, and broker-dealers. They provide global product coverage, dedicated corporate client management services, and 24-hour support. Even though Hibiscus is not currently accepting new clients, you can join as a partner if you would like to use their services for your own clients and company. So if you are trying to start your own trading company or are interested in professional partnerships, now just might be the right time to do it with Hibiscus. And that is our overview of Hibiscus Group Limited. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, Good luck with your trading activities.